students, how are you? कैसे हैं आप सब? Today I am going to discuss Dream High. Dream High. This is chapter 7 of your class 6 moral science. Page number 27, 28, 29. I will discuss in this chapter. Try to understand this concept. Which type of dream is mentioned in this story? Which type of dream you will think in sleeping and arising? I am going to discuss it. Try to understand the concept of this story. Then you can understand it very well. Okay, try to understand. Dream High. The name of the chapter is Dream High. She is mother and she is son of her mother. Okay, try to understand the concept. I think you can see it very well. If you are unable to see it, then I am going to enlarge it. Please see it. Dream High. I think you can see it very well without any problem and hesitation. I am going to discuss it. Try to understand the concept of this story. Okay, try to understand it. The dreaming high is good for progress. If you want to progress in your life, then it is your duty to dream high. Okay, you must dream high. When you dream high, when you dream high, you think about how can you achieve the highest. Okay, whenever you will think high, then definitely you will achieve highest and highest. If your dream is small, then you will get little success. If your dream is big, then you will definitely get more success. Thus you are motivated to do more and more work. You attempt to achieve great heights. When you achieve a certain heights, you again dream higher. Thus you rise again. This way, step by step, you reach the zenith. If you want to reach the zenith, then it is your duty to dream high. Okay, if your dream is big, then definitely you will overcome from your problems, and you will not face any problem in your life. Okay, take the example of Sushant. He was a dull student in the beginning. His mother motivated him to experience the joy of being at the top. She often gave him the examples of Akshat, who always stood at the top in his class. His mother, every mothers know very well uh, what is the condition, what is the situation of his or her child. She knows very well. Okay, and she compares with others boys. Slowly Sudan started dreaming higher. Accordingly, he started working hard too. He started studying one lesson one day. The following day, he would revise the answers of that lesson. He was very weak. He was very weak. In spite of that, he started one lesson every day without giving any pushing to others. Okay, it was his regular duty to read the lesson regularly. Thus, he prepared well. Now, preparing lessons regularly became his habit. Okay, it was his regular habit to preparing the lessons regularly. After that, Sushant, when he was preparing lesson regularly, on that moment he started both studying and practicing in the same day. I think you are unable to see it. I am going to little I think you can see it. He started both studying and practicing in the same day. Okay, thus he completed one chapter every day. Soon he did his backlog of the homework and went ahead of the others in the classroom. Now, when the teacher taught a lesson, Sushant was already familiar with that. Whenever the teacher would ask something, he would answer it immediately. The other students were surprised with these changes. Why Sushant answered why Sushant gave correct answer? Because he learned each and every lesson every day. He learned one lesson every day. That's why he knew regarding all lessons. Whenever his teacher asked the question, then he promptly gave the answer. Okay, it was the reason of surprise. Okay, The result of this effort was reflected in the progress sheet. In which sheet? Progress sheet is means result. Okay, mark sheet you can tell. In this, in his, if you want to get good marks in the examination, then it is your duty to read the chapter, read one chapter regularly. In his, in his first, in his first unit test, Sushant had achieved a grace marks. Which marks? Grace marks. Okay. In his second unit test, he barely passed. In other half examinations, he securely satisfactory marked, and the final assessment he stood just behind Akshat. He was almost at the top. When prize were distributed, he was also called the receiver prize. Akshat was given the Best Student Award and the Upcoming Students of the Year prize. He was also given the trophy for standing second in the class. He was very happy to receive the prize. He felt it was very good to be honored. Why he was awarded the prize? Because he was not very brilliant student. He was laborious student. He was he was reading regularly. He was reading one lesson regularly, and he passed the first examination, second examination, and after that final examination he got the good marks in the examination. Okay, in this way Sushant was awarded by the prize. Akshay was the first to embrace Sushant. He also wished him to reach the top in the class. Then all the children praised Sushant for his hard work. His class teacher patted him back in encouragement. When he reached home, he touched the feet of his mother. It was after all, it was she who prompted and motivated him dream high and reach the top. Who motivated his mother? Motivated him. Their class teacher motivated him to reach the top, and it was the big dream of Sushant. He wanted to reach on the top. Okay, children also praised to Sushant. Okay, children also praised to Sushant. Okay, his class teacher also patted him. Okay, when he reached the home, then he touched the feet of mother. Touched the feet of mother because she because her mother motivated him. It was the reason of getting good marks in the examinations. Now I'm going to discuss next page. Try to understand the concept. It is most important and good story of your book. Okay. Dreaming high alone is not enough. If you are dreaming alone, then it is not enough. Our dreams have to come true. If you want to think something, then it is your duty to prove it. We need goals to be achieved. If you want to go anywhere, then you will have to think where will you go, and why will you go. Okay, then you will have to make goals. We need the stamina and strength to pursue our ideals. We may not meet with success all the time. We may be discouraged and objected when success comes very late. We know very well success will definitely come, but it comes little late. But don't you will have to overcome from your problems. Okay, we need the help of your parents and fellow students and other to keep us going. We need to have a plan which we would execute progressively and analyze periodically. If you want to achieve high, then it is your duty to make a plan. Okay, motivation, planning, devoting, okay, controlling each and everything is most important part of the uh, achieving the goal. The dreaming high involves the effort of many people. It would not be possible to reach the summit of the Mount Everest all by oneself. Teams of people must be willing to help you out, even thought they know that all the glory will be yours once you reach the summit. If you want to reach the summit, then teamwork is very essential things. If you want to study, if you want to get good marks, then you will have to make some teamwork. Okay, you will have to you will have to learn with group with the group. Okay, such selfless loves can be seen in our parents and real friends. We can also always take their help. Okay, our dreams come true when only we uh, have learned how to make our dreams come true. Man's dreams of reaching the moon become a reality because so many factors work in its favor at that time. We have not been able to repeat the same feat again after a few initial successes. We still need to learn. Man's dream reaching at the moon became reality. If he had not seen the dream, then how he will reach how he will reach the on the moon? It was not possible. He saw the dream. That's why he possible. If you want to get success in your life, then you will have to uh, see the dream in your life. Okay, and then you will be success in your life. Dream high and reach for the height. That's why the way to shine bright. Okay, if you want to do something in your life, then it is your duty to dream high, and not only dream high, just reach for the height. Okay, that's the way to shine bright. If you will reach the height, then definitely you will shine bright. Dreams give you the inspirations. What give you the inspiration? Dreams gives you inspirations that will make you reach perfection. Okay, so in this video I have discussed page number chapter 7. In next video I will discuss next chapter. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe on this channel. Don't forget to